Across America tonight, President Trump visits California as nearly 100 wildfires continue to ravage that state and other parts of the West Coast. The president has blamed poor forest management for the flames that have killed at least 35 people in 3 states. Smoke is creating dangerously bad air quality in the region as well. CBS 4's Nichelle Medina reports from San Diego.
President Trump met with California Governor Gavin Newsom and local fire officials amid a record-breaking fire season in the state. Since the beginning of the year, wildfires in California have burned over 3.2 million acres, which is larger than the state of Connecticut.
We want to thank all of the brave fighters. We want to thank these incredible people, the first responders, service members who are racing to the extreme peril, really, of their lives and extreme danger.
Governor Newsom says climate change is responsible for the extreme fire conditions.
We obviously feel very strongly that the hots are getting hotter, the dries are getting drier. Climate change is real, and that is exacerbating this.
28 major wildfires are burning across the state, including the Bobcat fire in Los Angeles County.
Mandatory evacuation of the area.
The fire has burned 36,000 acres and triggered more evacuations Sunday.
It's come down quite a bit. A huge amount.
Across the West region, thick smoke is creating harmful levels of air pollution in Seattle, San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Portland, spreading unhealthy air conditions all the way up to Canada. In Oregon, this drone video shows red fire retardant over streets and residences in the aftermath of fires that decimated the towns of Talent and Phoenix.
There are early reports from our state police that there are dozens of missing persons related to the fires.
At least 10 people have died in the state, including Peggy Masso and her 13-year-old grandson, Wyatt Tafty.
I think it does bring the family some comfort to know that he was really focused on trying to save his grandmother.
Forecasters say strong winds and low humidity in the region Monday could threaten progress crews have made against the fires so far. Nichelle Medina, CBS News.